Welcome in this screencast. Here we will see how to use Azure to configure a cloud-based machine learning production model, then how to deploy it and then consume it. I have also demonstrated the procedure of creating, publishing and consuming a pipeline. So first step is AutoML experiment. So first upload a dataset. Here I have uploaded a bank marketing dataset. Then configure the experiment. If you haven't created a compute cluster, so you directly create like this. Then configure the task type. Click Finish to start AutoML. Once it is completed, it's time to deploy the best model. So this is how you deploy a best model. Don't forget to enable authentication. We can then check the status in the Endpoint tab. Now it's time to enable logging to record the status of each run. So download config file and place it in same directory where log.py script is present. Once the deployment status is healthy, we are ready to run the script. So here is the logs generated by logs.py script. Also confirm the status in the Endpoint tab. Now click on the URL to visit the ML application inside dashboard. Now it's time to test our REST API. So to do that locally, we will use Swagger. So go to the same Endpoint tab and click on the Swagger URI link, right click and save it in the Swagger folder. Now execute Swagger script. This will spin up a Docker container to create a server. Now perform post activity. Here you see the input to the API. Here is the output. We have successfully tested the API. Now let's try to consume the deployed model. So copy the REST endpoint URL, mention it in endpoint script. Now copy authentication key and also mention it in script. Now execute the script. Here you see the output of the query. Let's also have a look on the benchmark. That looks pretty fine. Now it's time to create, publish and consume a pipeline. So first create a compute instance for executing the cells of the notebook. Let's execute each cell one by one. Create Azure ML experimentation. Attach compute cluster. Load data. Create AutoML object for the pipeline. Create pipeline. Submit the pipeline for experiment. Execute run detail widget. Now wait for pipeline run completion. Once the run is complete, we will go to the pipeline tab to see the overview of the pipeline run. Here you can see bank marketing dataset attached with AutoML module. Now publish the pipeline to create the consumption endpoint for the pipeline. Select a new one to create and then click publish. Here you can see the message of successful deployment. Now go to pipeline tab and then go to pipeline endpoint. So here you see that the status is active and we also provided with REST endpoint API to consume this pipeline. Now to see the status of the pipeline, you can go to experiment and then select the appropriate experiment.